So it's a cute little box, and these are really cheap plastic. Some good quality, some not. 3-year warranty. You know, tape measure, basic, made in China. Oh, doesn't seem so good to pull that. I actually can't even get that out. So not a great tape measure. Drill bits are okay. This is cool. I mean, it's cute. It has a light on it. Seems okay. Charger. So it's an older plug-in for charging. It's fine. Hooks. This seems okay. Let's have a look. Actually, the hammer is really good. Good quality, solid hammer. Drill bits look fine. This is okay. I mean, you can see the sort of the quality of the plastic's not great there. Yeah, it's okay. This is so cheap. Oh my goodness. So really lightweight, flimsy plastic. Hopefully accurate. Don't know. Yeah, so who knows for the price? I guess you pay for what you get. This was $40.
Pink. Oh my god.